Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the modification of crops by breeding and genetic engineering, or in simple ways you can say GMO or genetically modified foods. So what are the genetically modified foods? Genetically modified foods are actually the food which are derived from an organism whose genetic material or DNA has been modified in such a way that it does not occur naturally, or maybe some part of the DNA of the parent plant has been obtained from another species or another organism. So GM or GMO food normally have the genetic makeup of not one plant but more than one plant. Now, this technology is also known as modern biotechnology or gene technology, or sometimes it is known as recombinant DNA technology, in which we recombine two different DNAs and combine it in a single organism in order to get desirable traits, or simply we can also call it genetic engineering. Now, genetic engineering uh, enables the scientists to copy a certain gene which has desirable traits or useful traits from one organism, and it can be successfully put in another organism, and it can be successfully um activated in order to get the desirable traits. Now, this genetic engineering, which started in 1970s, um, and it has built scientific advances, and this has resulted in the advanced study of DNA. And after the advanced studies of DNA, this technology has been successfully used in certain plants in order to get the desired useful traits. Now, these genetically modified crops, they can prove be very powerful complement to those produced by the conventional methods for meeting the worldwide demand for quality food. These genetically modified crops can be grown in such a way that a same plant or a same fruit can contain different traits which is present in or the different nutritive values which is present in different other plant species. Now, a major goal of this plant scientists was to find ways to maintain high productivity under stress, or even GMO plants have been introduced with the herbicides and insecticides tolerance genes, so that when herbicides have been used in these crops in order to prevent the weed to grow, these plant species cannot be harmed. And it was also used to develop a crop with more nutritious values. Early farmers discovered that some crop plants could be artificially mated or cross pollinated to increase their yield, so that more yield can lead to the feeding of more people with less agriculture costs. Now, other than this, desirable characteristics from different plants can also be combined using this modification of crops by breeding and genetic engineering. This can be combined into new offsprings. This breeding was developed and advanced in 20th century, uh, during which plant breeders understood better how to select superior plants and how to breed them to create improved varieties. Now, these crop developed by genetic engineering can not only be used to enhance yield of those crops, to get more nutritious values, also it is beneficial to increase the tolerance to various biotic and abiotic stresses. So they can overcome those stresses and they can grow even in the unfavorable soils or in unfavorable conditions successfully.